This is Kubota's KX42-5. So there's a lot to like about this machine. Flow sharing, fuel burn, the balance, performance, really good. With travel speed at 2.7 and 5 kilometers an hour, it's rapido. Really impressed with the new sensor, the ESS. It makes a hell of a difference to the flow sharing in this machine. Be able to have no limitations, booming up, booming down, dipper out, dipper in, crowding up, crowding down. Best of all, tracking and flailing. So with the power and performance, you really should be looking at this machine.